We don't need shit. No shit.
Mommy's. Mama. Let me see that. Because.
Yeah, what's up? What's up, third people? Wiggles?
Yeah.
No wiggles. Daddy's got to work, Baba. Daddy got to work.
Fire.
Fire.
Yeah.
Fire.
Fire.
What's happening, third people? What's up, PJ? We are back. We are back. We are back. We are back with the bang. You wanna go, mommy?
No.
I'll stay here. Give me 1 second, guys. I'll be right back. What's up, Usman? Yeah, Baba. What's up, Seal? We'll go about just chilling, smash it this morning. Yeah, bro. Yes, we did. We did this morning, today, this afternoon. You guys hear me okay? You guys hear me okay? I've got my standing desk on, so I've got my standing desk and my mic is all the way down here, so hopefully you guys can hear me. Otherwise I'm gonna have to buy one of those arms, you know, those microphone arms? Forgot what they're called. You can hear me clear? Nice. Perfect. Perfect. Oh yeah, good day on gold. Good day on gold. Good day on gold. Just gonna load up the TikTok. What's up, Russia? What's up, Ben? Oh, easy pickings on gold today. Easy pickings on gold today. Let's get the TikTok started up. The crazy old TikTok. Oh, how I've missed it. Look at this though. Beautiful, beautiful. CPAC. Now what we can do is we can look for buys above 2414035. Simple as that. This 15-minute, actually this current hourly candle does not have a bottom wick yet, so that could be interesting. We could actually come up in here into this area, reject, tap off, and then it could flip bearish here, come down and create a bottom wick. But as of right now, price is pushing bullish. Got a beautiful move right here. What's that? Oh, wrong one. Where did my thing go? About 37 pips so far. Beautiful. Wait, I gotta log in, brother. Come on, man. Gotta log back into TikTok. It hasn't been that long, surely. I'm still a little bit sick. A little bit. So how do I scan them? Oh, scan with my phone's camera. How was everybody doing though? How was last week for everybody? So what do you think about trading bots? Don't use a trading bot unless it's my one. That's what I think. That is exactly what I think. I have the best products in the game, hands down. No questions about it. So don't use anybody's, use mine. But I don't even have one, so I will soon though. I will soon. All right, let's get the TikTok going. God, I haven't been live in a while. A week. All right, there we go. We're live on TikTok. We are live and well on TikTok. Let's see what today brings, man. Let's see. How am I feeling? I'm feeling a lot better, of course. I still have some like sinus, chest shit. But overall, I'm feeling much better. Feeling good. Feeling sharp again. Feeling strong again. I'm ready, man. Ready to continue the journey, you know? Continue the streaming journey to 5K subs. So now we're on the standing desk. So now I'm standing up for the streams. I'm not sitting down. I can be more active, you know? Feel more alert, feel more awake. Because usually towards this time of the night, I'm getting a bit tired. I'm sitting down, I'm getting lazy, you know? Like, I rarely ever sit down in the day. The second I sit down, I get tired, I get lethargic, I start thinking about sleep. So now at this point, I'm just going to be standing. So let's see how this goes. And hopefully you guys can hear me properly. Hopefully you can hear me okay. What's up, TikTok? How you guys doing in the TikTok? How can I make my own trading indicator? If you're talking about TradingView, Usman, you just gotta learn the code, bro. Or get help for V5, for my indicator V5, I coded the basics myself. All of the actual strategy I coded myself because, you know, I didn't want anybody else to have that code and know that strategy. So I figured out how to code that myself. And then to do all the fancy bits that you guys can see, the trading windows, the lines, the data table, and all this cool other little things that you get with V5, I got somebody else in to finish it off and do it. Yeah, I think we can continue to look for buys today on gold. But this, like I said, this 15:30 hourly does not have a bottom wick yet. What's up, Shiesty? What's up, Joe Mama? Do you trade live every day on your Discord? Yeah, pretty much. I every day that I take a trade, I post about it on my analysis channel in Discord. I also have my Signals Telegram channel where I post all my swing trades. But the gold trades, yeah, they're all posted and you know, like talked about in the Discord. What's up, Hugo? Digital coach. Is that the 15? Yeah, this is the 15 minute. If you guys want to see the time frames, if you guys on TikTok want to see the time frames and the lines, the zones, everything like that, come over to YouTube. We're live on YouTube. Can you trade some falafel? I mean, show me the falafel chart and I'll fucking trade it, bro. No questions asked. I'll slap that thing. I'll slap it. You say you always win. How? I don't always win. I don't always win. Actually, I'll show you. I actually need to. You can see my losses right here. Right. Losses right here. You can see losses, wins, losses, wins, losses, wins, losses, wins, loss, wins. I actually need to add. I did 2 trades today, so I need to add my other trade today as well. What's my prediction for gold? So for gold, I'm looking for gold to continue bullish based on the previous 12-hour candle. So the first 12-hour candle up to today's daily candle has closed bullish. We've come down, we've created a nice wick for the daily, nice wick for the weekly, right? Previous weekly bullish. Now the new weekly candle here has created a nice bottom wick of about 100 pips. The daily has created its bottom wick. The 12-hour has now closed bullish. So as you guys know, if you follow my streams and follow my socials, you will know that I talk about the 12-hour time frame a lot. And this is the first 12-hour candle that we had today. And the 12-hour is important because we get 2 12-hour candles in a daily session, right? Which makes up the daily candle. And not always, but often, how that first 12-hour candle closes is often how the second candle will continue or mimic, you know. So the first one's closed bullish, so there is a potential, a high potential now that this next 12-hour candle here for the rest of the day, the New York session, can continue bullish up into these highs, I would say minimum at this point. We have 4-hour bullish closures, previous bullish closures with nice wicks to the downside, grabbing liquidity here under these areas. And now price is starting to push back up again. So this is why I posted as well in the Discord just before. Look for 15-30 minute bullish closure for price to continue bullish, right? And that was right here. After that 12-hour candle had closed, we get that nice pullback. 12-hour candle bottom wick, price closed bullish, and as price closed bullish, rejecting here this area, Price then continued. Beautiful buys up there. It's 37 pips so far, and that's what I've been doing all day. My bias today has been bullish, right? And as you can see, as price came down, started rejecting down here. When we get that bullish closure, I took buys up. That was my first trade, and then took buys up here for this second trade. We did actually have beautiful sell signal here on the indicator today, which dropped for about 67 pips, which is a beautiful entry here for this sell from the V5 indicator. So yeah, just every which way gold wants to move, we're catching it today. Whichever way it wants to go, we got it. We're in there like swimwear, trust me. What's up, third pupil? Oh, you're on the TikTok now. Am I standing? Yeah, I'm standing. I'm standing. I'm trying to, you know, I'm trying to be more active. Trying not to sit for the entire stream because my, you know, it just makes me tired, man, when I sit. So I just need to stand. I've had some creatine today. I've had some vitamins. I've had chicken, lamb. I've had what else have I had? I've ate good today. I've ate good. Yeah, I am. Where's my football actually? Where did it go? Oh, it's outside. Outside. So I fueled myself today. I'm feeling good. Bro's practicing his foot off camera. Alright, so yeah, looking for continuation buys, right? Above 2414035. We need closures above this level first of all, but I just don't like this. I don't like this hourly candle. I don't like this hourly candle that it hasn't got a bottom wick yet. Any minute, any second now, this hourly candle we could be coming up to do the classic close above, fake out, right? Close back in, come down, create that bottom wick. So I'm just trying to see how price is going to play out here. It doesn't necessarily need to have a bottom wick, but the more that we push up without creating a bottom wick here for the hourly, the more likely that we're going to see, you know, price potentially react in these areas right here and then reject and come down to create that bottom wick. But like I said, I'm just looking for buys to fill this range. So buys above 2414035 once we get a closure above. Yo, Junior, I appreciate the follow on TikTok. Let's go. Let's go. GJ, yeah. You know what? Like, I started to look at GJ for a little bit again. And then I was like, nah, man. Nah. I'm just going to stick to gold. Sometimes when gold, you know, the start of the months, or when you get NFP, or you get weeks with inflation, and then you have, you know, FOMC, GDP, interest rates, during that time where all that news starts to come into the market on the USD, gold can get a bit slow, a bit unpredictable, it's a bit hard to trade. So there's times where there's times where I think, is it better to just trade GJ for a little bit to let it settle, blah, 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 blah. But I'm not. I'll just swing trade GJ. I'll swing trade all Forex and just scalp gold. I may look at bringing in like a indices to scalp, maybe NAS 100 or S&P 500. But I think scalping, day trading needs to just stick with gold or a pair with high volatility, you know, just high volume, high volatility. What's up, Hamis? How are you, man? How are you? But yeah, we've got 8 minutes here. 8 minutes for closures above. And the targets, we're looking for price to fill this range here. That's what we're looking for. We are looking for price to fill this range now, because look, if price is popping above, if price is going to continue above this area, look over here to the left, right? There's nothing, there's minor maybe support in here that we can potentially look out for, but there's not really anything within this range now to the left where you would think price could reject, right? Unless we're at the highs here. That is why that is the target. So if price pops above here and is able to maintain above this level, then there's a good chance that we're gonna come and fill this range up at, what is this, 2418310. Feel good? I feel great. How do you feel, Hamis? I'm feeling great today, my man. Still on the mend a little bit, but I'm feeling great. Now I've got all this room, stretch, do activities, you know what I mean? What's up in UL? All is well, my brother. How are you, man? Hope you're good. Waiting it breakout, pull back at entry. So for a breakout, you don't necessarily need taps. Because this is a breakout of the intraday level, but it's also a breakout of the AOIs. So I would prefer taps, but I don't need taps. You know what I mean? But in this scenario, because of the hourly doesn't have a bottom wick yet, right? Because of the hourly doesn't have this bottom wick. In this scenario, I'm gonna wait for taps. If we close above, then I want taps. Just to be safe, right? Because we could just be doing some fake out crap, close above, close straight back below, start selling off, create an hourly bottom wick, reject on the hourly, and start coming down into these areas. So what's up, Cam? So in this scenario, like I said, we've got 5 minutes. I would want to see a closure above, a tap of that level, and a continuation, similar to what we saw earlier over here at this AOI during the first trading window, right? The hourly closed below. In this case, it will be closing above. Then we want this next candle, sorry, not the hourly, the 15 closed below. Then the next 15 tapped into that level first of all, right there, and then it started selling off, right? So we want this 15 to close above. We want then the next 15 to come down and tap, break the highs of the current 15, and then you want it to continue. This is a nice, what is this? This is a nice 43 pip range. So we got a nice range here. We got a bit of space to work with right now. Aiden, appreciate the follow. Hi, bro. See him today. Break even coming 243, 100%. You think it's going to 2430? Is that what you're trying to say? 2430? That's your target for today? You see, this is what happened earlier, right? This is what happened earlier. There was no entries here, but you get the closure above, and also look what happened. Look what happened. I didn't even see this, but this 15 had no bottom wick, right? So we come up, we closed above, but because this 15 didn't have a bottom wick, we came straight back down, fake out, come back in, and then sold off, which is similar to what we are seeing currently, right? In here, this 15 has no bottom wick, so we could see rejection here, similar to what happened over here to the left in this same area, right? Rejection, and then we could flip bearish here to create that 15 bottom wick, or the hourly bottom wick. Price is always going to track to this level right here. What's up, D? 1 hour chart. Yeah, it has been a while, man. Yeah, I was sick last week, bro. I was sick all last week. And yeah, finally getting on the mend. Finally on the mend. Feeling good. Feeling good today, man. Positivity, you know. Overtrade, how to prevent it. Get the V5 indicator. But yeah, basically the V5 is going to teach you about discipline and consistency. But the main thing is to take 1 or 2 trades a day, Hamis. That's how I really start to build consistency, is taking 1 or 2 trades a day. If you take 1 trade in the day and it's a winning trade, turn off the charts, walk away, come back the next day. If you have a losing trade, you can potentially look for a second chance if the right setup, you know, happens on the chart, on your pair, or whatever your strategy is. But yeah, just look for 1 or 2 trades a day. That's it. And I promise you, if you do that, your consistency and your discipline is gonna skyrocket. You're gonna see insane results. I promise you. What was I just about to do? I was just about to do something. Oh yeah, look at today's trade. I still need to put this second one in. So I caught 15 pips. The second trade I caught 15 pips. Win. And I used half risk. So I didn't want to lose the profits that I made. So it was $500 profit. I'm going to take a screenshot of this. Trade right here. There. And then I'll do the rest later. This was half risk, 2.5 lots. It was based on the 4 hour, the 15 minute. It was a type 6 setup. It was a buy. It was on gold. It was during London session. Yeah. What was it? 6:30 p.m. 07 15 2024. All right, very nice. All right, fresh is always the best time to look at market behavior. What do you mean fresh? When you're feeling fresh? Chef Cat, appreciate the follow. No, when I have winning in the morning, then I trade back result or profit. Yeah, exactly, Hammy. So if you start off in the morning and you have a winning trade, boom, you're done for the day. That's it. Call it a day, bro. Take your winnings, continue to the next day. Start to build consistency. Start to build discipline. Start to build a routine, because you shouldn't be trading all day. You shouldn't be trading morning, afternoon, evening, night. Right? You should be choosing a specific window to trade, like a 2-hour window, a 4-hour window. Trade during that window, so you know you can structure and have a routine around your trading that day and throughout the week, so you know exactly when you need to be at the charts and exactly when you have time to do other things, and it's all going to start coming together, right? It's not just about being consistent in your trading, but it's about being consistent and disciplined in your whole life. Because if you're not disciplined in your life with your you know, everyday routine, you're not going to be disciplined in trading. It's as simple as that. I'm not feeling fresh today. Up 200 and running though. Nice, Cam. What trades did you get today, Cam? When do I think is the best session to trade? Pre-London session. Pre-London to London Open. Dipsy, what if I have two funded account? You suggest trading trade different session. You have two funded accounts. Just take the same trade on both accounts, bro. That's it. I don't recommend, like, just because it's just making excuses at that point. Like, oh, I've got two accounts, so I have to look for other trades and trade two different times, right? When you should just be looking at it going, I need to focus on one good setup a day, one or two good setups a day, and that's it. That's what we need to focus on. We don't have the capacity to focus and have that, constant focus on the charts for hours and hours and hours and hours a day. You're going to get fatigued, right? So you need to pick a time when you are the most energetic, you're the most awake, the most alert, you're the most focused, and trade during that time. And then once you start to feel lethargic, fatigued, tired, walk away from the charts. That's it, because you're going to start making mistakes then. Best traders in the world place on average one trade a week, so follow the mindset less is more. Yeah, exactly. That's why, I get people all the time, in the TikTok chat, in the YouTube chat, on socials, like, why have you only taken one trade this week? Well, like, because they see all this bullshit online, on Instagram and on YouTube, of people taking like 20 trades a day, and they see their MT5 and stuff, and there's like 20 different trades at the same position, and yeah, like, less is more, man. Should I quit my job for this? No. Unless you're making like $5,000 a month off trading, then definitely not. Let's see. We didn't come down to create that bottom wick yet. We're still trying to push up. We had a 30-minute closure. We got a 30-minute closure. It's not a 30-minute break and tap, but let's see if we can get above these highs here. Let's see if we can get a closure above. What is percent that you recommend daily we ensure to make don't have any targets, Hammies. What's up, Ethan? How are you, bro? Don't have any targets. This is where people go wrong as well in trading, because they have daily profit targets, weekly profit targets, monthly profit targets, and it puts too much pressure on your trading. I don't have any targets. I don't have daily, monthly, weekly targets. I just trade. I take what I see when I'm on the charts, and that is it. If I don't find a trade for a day or 2 days or a week, I'm not stressing going, oh man, I'm not going to meet my weekly profit targets or percentage targets or whatever, So just trade. Don't worry about reaching targets or whatever. Just do what you got to do. Don't stress about making money. Just trade. Just focus on the setup, focus on the skill, focus on your strategy, focus on discipline, focus on, following your trading plan. Don't focus on making money. Because if you follow the things that I mentioned, first of all, if you are a disciplined trader, if you are a consistent trader, if you do follow your trading strategy religiously, guess what? The profit's going to follow from that, right? But if you're just focused on profit and you're not following any of your rules, any of your trading plan, and you're just trading to make money left, right, and center, you're just going to lose money. You're not going to make money at all. I staggered buys on gold from 2403. Nice, very nice. You're almost 100 pips profit then, bro. So, it doesn't get much better than that, bro. It doesn't get much better than that. If you want to close, if you're scared of a reversal, close half or close 75% and let the rest run. Move your stops to break even. What pair is this? This is gold, XAU USD. XAU USD. XAU USD. What do you mean, oh, Sammy? What do you mean, oh? This is the best pair on planet Earth, mate. This is my dear friend, gold. What else do I trade? I trade a lot of currencies, but that's... sorry. I only day trade and scalp gold, but I swing trade a lot of other different currencies. Mainly currencies and some indices, some crypto. But if you're talking about scalping, like this, trading what we're trading right now, only gold, that's it. I trade volatility. What do you mean, like the volatility index or what? News, yeah, we do have news tonight actually. We have Fed speeches. VIX, nah, I don't trade that, Sammy. Yeah, we got we got Empire State Manufacturing Index and we have Fed Chair Powell speaks. But that's at 2 a.m. That's a while away. We got this one at 10:30 in about 2 hours. Do you trade news? I will trade on days where there is certain news events, but I won't trade anywhere around when news is coming out. Probably an hour each side. What's up, Gems? Forex Cody, what can you say about opening range breakout? It's my strategy. Gems, I'm not sure what you mean by opening range breakout. You'd have to like explain it to me a bit better. Good advice, Cody. I like it. Strategy, plan, get result. Yeah, exactly. Follow your strategy, follow your plan consistently, be disciplined, and you will see results. Focus on one good trade a day, one or two, but just focus on one good trade a day. It's a losing trade, you turn off your computer. The winning trade, you turn off your computer and you walk away. You carry on with your day. You go outside, you smell the fresh air, you see the sun, you see the trees. You know what I mean? You have a good rest of your day. You know, you go for a swim or something, have a coffee, right? You don't, when you take one trade, that's it, you're done. You move on to the next day. And if you follow that, I promise you, I guarantee you, you will see results. But most people can't follow this because most people are very impatient. All they think about is money. They think Forex is gonna get them rich quick when it's not. It's actually gonna, if you have that mentality, you're actually gonna lose all of your money. Whatever you invest, you will lose it. Most people don't have that kind of patience. If they take a loss, just call it a day and come back tomorrow. They don't have that patience, right? They'll take a loss, they'll start beating themselves up, they'll start crying a little bit, blaming the markets, blaming the banks, blaming the brokers. They'll blame everything else but themselves, and then they'll start revenge trading, they'll get angry, and yeah, and then they'll just blow the account or blow their funded account, you know? But if you take a loss, learn from it, walk away, come back the next day. Worst feeling is when it hits stop loss and then start buying shortly after. Well, I wouldn't say, yeah, when that happens, it sucks, but you have to look at it this way. Your analysis was correct, right? You just got in a little bit too early. So then you learn from that next time. You go, okay, how can I not next time make that same mistake and get in the market early and wait, be a bit more patient and get into the market at the right time, because my analysis was actually correct, but my execution needs to be refined a little bit. My friend threw his 15 max in the wall. God damn. That is, you know, you shouldn't be doing that, man. You shouldn't be doing that. That's somebody who's trading strictly for money and not for the process, not for the skill, the love of trading. What's up, Polish Spartan? All right, guys, we got 2 minutes, 3 minutes. What's up, Sharif Ali? How are you, man? We've got 2 minutes left for this 15 closure. Can we get a 15 closure above? Normally they target for the IB only, ask to trade, and the result get their big amount for IB. What do you mean, Hammies? Let's see. Can we get something? It's been a great day so far. Let's take a quick look at the stats while we're waiting for this to close. We've got 2 minutes there. So this is so far this year. 87 wins, 41 losses, a 67, almost a 68% win rate, right? 67.97% win rate, a 221% account gain, 933 total pips profit. So far for July, we're on 8 trades and a 75% win rate. So for the whole of July so far, 15 days, I've only taken 8 trades. That's it. I average around about 20 trades. This is on gold only, right? This is on gold. This is for strictly on gold. So I average about 20 trades per month. About 20 trades per month I average. Actually, probably a little bit less, but yeah. Let's see, we've got a minute left. We have a minute left. Man, it feels good to be back. It feels good to be back, guys. Did you guys miss me last week or what? And be honest. It's saying no, it's alright. Are we going long? We're waiting for closures above Polish. We're waiting for the 15 or the 30. It's going to be the 15 at this point, or the hourly, to close above 2414035. If you guys want to see the levels on TikTok, come over to YouTube. We're live on YouTube, Forex with Cody. If you want to see the levels, the full chart, much better experience, then come over to YouTube, Forex with Cody. I wonder if I can put it in here actually. Where are you from? I'm from how's that? I must have used this before. What are we saying? What are we saying? What do you guys think? That? What about in a nice yellow? Or orange for gold? All right. What can gold give us? How much patience is too much patience when trading? Yeah, that's a good question because you definitely want to have patience, but yeah, you can be too on the sidelines, right? You can be too on the fence and then never execute on your ideas, right? Executing is important. It's a big part of trading, which a lot of people struggle with. But yeah, it is finding that sweet spot. You don't want to be overly patient. You want to know when it's time to get active and get into the market and start looking for your entries. But yeah, patience is a must. Patience is a must. Sure. Resistance on the 30-minute. Yeah. Over to the left here. This is the level that I have in the market. So we can see it much more cleaner on the 30-minute, right? The 30-minute right here, this is the level where price is stalling. So then we have a nice range coming in here. So if price pops above this level, we can look for price to fill the range then up into about 2418, which is about, like I said, about 43 pip move. That's why we're looking for those closures above here. We got a 12-hour bullish closure, so momentum to the upside for the rest of today, in my opinion. That could easily change, but as of right now, this is what we're going with. 4-hour is bullish, nice rejections on the 4-hour time frame. Let's have a look at the hourly. The hourly has no bottom wick still. A little bit concerned with that. We could see price coming back down into this area to spike out here in this next hourly potentially. So we just have to wait and see how it plays out. We have to wait and see how it plays out. Best strategy as a beginner, see go. Get the V5 indicator, bro. Which script is this? I mean currency. This is xauusd. V5 is great for beginners, great for experienced traders, great for everyone. But if you're a beginner, this is going to teach you everything you need to be, on gold, to be trading gold, trading windows, buy style entries, key levels, everything. It's going to give you everything. It's going to give you a structured, disciplined, consistent trading plan and trading strategy. And then once you got that in your locker, you can go off and do your own thing. But yeah, V5, try it out. You can only try it out, right? Do you have a mentor? I actually don't. I actually don't know. My daughter probably is my mentor. I was never really a person to, look for a mentor. I don't know. It's just not me. Yo, we appreciate the rose. Appreciate the diamonds, my guy. Here we go. We got 9 minutes left for the hourly. So this will be an hourly closure above if we can get it. One thing we could potentially see is this 15 just start driving up here, right? We could see that. So if it happens, it happens. What we're waiting for is a closure above. Nothing more, nothing less. So whatever happens, happens. How to get V5? Go to my TikTok profile. Click the link. You go to my website and you will see it right there. Oh, man. Feels good to stand. Oh, I just need my football now, but I left it outside, man. God damn it. Let's go. Let's go. We got 7 minutes, 7-8 minutes here for a closure. What are you trading? This is gold, xauusd, gold. Goldilocks. Wonder if this camera fits. Does it have? Don't think it does actually. Don't think it does. Which is unfortunate. I'm new here. Question for you. Do you only trade gold? I only day trade scalp gold, but I trade all different currency indices, pairs, but they're swing trades, right? Swing trades. As you can see right here in the private Telegram, these were the swing trades from last week. This was one lot. So AUD CAD, AUD USD, GJ. Then we have that was on Wednesday, I think, and then these ones were from Tuesday, Wednesday. So this was 2.6k, and here again, right, you have all of the CAD JPY, Euro CHF. You've even got S&P 500 in there, indices. This is all from last week. So these are the swing trades. 3.4k total profit from the swing trades in the private Telegram, but I only scalp day trade gold. That's it. Jesus is coming back soon. Accept Jesus and be saved before it's too late, John. Okay. Yeah, like I said, it could come and fill this range. It could just fill this range, right, without giving us an entry. So if that happens, it happens. Nothing we can do about that. Or nothing I can do about that, because that's my strategy. So yeah, we just gotta wait and see. We gotta wait and see how this plays out. Where are you looking for one out to close above, and what trajectory are we? So the 2414035 cap, which is the V5, the indicator V5 level, right here, this yellow level. 2414035. How much do I trade with? My account is currently at 71 now. 71. Thank you, good job. No worries, Joseph. No worries, bro. And thank you. You prop trade? No, I don't. I've never taken a prop firm, never done a funded account challenge, whatever you want to call them. Two for 1475. If it closes above, you're bullish. If it closes above without filling too much of this range, then we can look for price to continue bullish, breaking the highs up into this level. But the problem is now it's filled quite a bit. It's already filled 20 pips of this range, and we've only got about 25 pip maybe max of price before it comes up into this area. So we'll have to wait and see. But yeah, once you get a closure, you're anticipating that then price can come down, tap in, and continue bullish. But like I said, because the previous hourly or this current hourly candle does not have a bottom wick, as you can see, we will want to wait for a tap into this level first. We need taps. In this scenario, in this case, we need taps of 2414035 first before price continues bullish. Luke C, appreciate the follow. I close on my trades and it starts flying, of course. That's why I said close a percentage count. Close if you're unsure, Just close the percentage. Secure some profits. Move stops to break even. Leave 50% running, take 50% off, or leave 75% running, take 25 off, or leave 25%, take 75% off, whatever you want to do. But, you know, take a percentage off, leave some running if you're unsure. Why do you trade? Do you mean what do I trade on? AI? This is TradingView. TradingView. What? TradingView. This is TradingView. What I trade on. All right, 2 minutes. Oh, what broker? I use Blackbull Markets. Watch is I can't say your name, but appreciate the follow. Thank you very much. Welcome to the TikTok stream. Watch Rasak. What pair is that? XAUUSD. Got about 1:30 left here. TTX, appreciate the follow. Hey. Leandro, appreciate the follow. Did anybody watch the Copa America today? Let me see that moves. Argentina won, yeah. That was such a good game, man. Can you explain what a pip is? A pip is a point in profit or a percentage in profit. It just refers to how much points or pips or percentage you are in profit or in drawdown. All right, we got 11 seconds, guys. 11 seconds. So what we're looking for, because this is the hourly closure, we're looking for a bottom wick first. We want to see a bottom wick first. Coming down, tapping into 2414035. Okay. We want to see a bottom wick first of all, come down, tap in. And then we want to see it flip bullish. And then we want to see it break previous highs over here. Okay. We want to see it break previous highs to continue bullish. You've got about, yeah, you got about 20 pip move right there. 20 pip move. All right. So we want to see that tap in here first. What's up, Dean? Yo, that's crazy. Dean said, well, this video just popped on my homepage and I remember watching you about 2 years ago on Twitch. I think you were trading the 30-minute time frame back then. Yeah, that's crazy, bro. That's crazy. Yeah, so if you guys don't know, we started off on Twitch a while ago. I used to stream on Twitch trading. It was okay. It was actually pretty decent. Should we go back to Twitch though? That's a question. But welcome, Dean. That's crazy though. It was meant to be, bro. What's up, Jordan? How are you, Jordan? How you feeling after last night, bro? Philip and Young Effects, appreciate the follow. Not good? What happened, Jordan? Did you get a bit too drunk or what? Is it the 5 now? This is the 15-minute chart. If we don't get the tap in and price just starts breaking the highs and driving, like I said, it is what it is. Is this gold? Yeah, this is gold. Good to see I'm still at it. Yeah, bro. Charles Zarko, appreciate the follows on TikTok. What was your name on Twitch, Dean? I might be able to remember it. Is this gold? Yeah, this is gold. Name and new. Charles, Sarko, Andy Hicks. Appreciate the follows. Did I just say that? I think I just said that. Really, Jordan? Where? In England? Heritage, Detch, BK. Appreciate the follows. Thank you guys very much. We need this tap though. We need price to tap into 2414 before it drives. If it doesn't, I think, yeah, it's a very, very risky trade. But you're from Ireland, Andy. Let's go. New to trading? Welcome, bro. Welcome to the world of trading. You have a very long journey ahead of you. A very difficult, long journey ahead of you. But if you're really interested in this for the skill, for the love of trading, for your interest, then you'll be fine. But if you're coming into this game looking to make quick money, it's not going to happen. Draw Master, appreciate the follow. Ryan, appreciate the follow. Is this gold? Yeah, it's gold. When do you enter a trade at the open of the next bar? Nah, AI. So there's two things. If I was to enter this trade, there was two things that I would be waiting for. First of all, it would be for this candle, this current 15-minute candle, to come down and tap into this level, right? 2414 level. We need price to come down and tap into here first. Once we get that, which we haven't yet, so there's no entry, but once we get the tap into this level, then you would wait for price to flip back bullish, start breaking previous highs over here, which would be this level. You'd want it to break by at least 2 or 3 pips, just to be clear. So something in here like this. You'd want it to break this level, and then you'll be targeting that next point in the range, which is up at about 2418 and above. Right, so price is basically now, we've got resistance, we've got this range right here where price is contained in. Then you have this area, this range up here, where if you have a look over to the left, you have this point in the market where price created this high, sold off, created lower highs, lower lows. We've now broke that structure, that bearish lower high, lower low structure. Price has come up, it's broke out to the upside. So then you would anticipate that price would now come and fill this range back up into this high, because we've broken structure, to come and test up in here. That's where the targets would be. Once that happens, I would be out of the trade. Whatever happens after that, it could continue bullish for sure. But once price hits this level, I'll be out of the market. I would see how price reacts around this level. And then I would look again at a potential other entry, but there's no entry right now. We haven't got the tap of 2414.035, so there's no entry for me. And if it continues bullish, it continues bullish. That's it. In Croydon, it was bad, was it? Same name, but I had to start again. Don't really use it anymore, mainly on YouTube now. What made you move over to YouTube? I always had my YouTube channel, Dean, that I used to upload videos on. So I just thought, why am I spreading myself across so many different platforms? Uploading videos to YouTube, streaming on Twitch, having videos on TikTok, on Instagram, on this, on that. Why don't I just try and consolidate it a little bit? Post on YouTube, but also stream on YouTube. And you know, things like that. So I think there's a lot more people who come to YouTube for Forex streams as well. So I think you can get noticed better on YouTube than you can on Twitch. How long have I been doing this? 8 years. La Rumeri, appreciate the diamond. Is this the 4-hour time frame? No, this is the 15-minute. Why it needs to tap? It needs to tap for confirmation, because at any moment now, gold could reject and flip bearish, right? At any moment, because still the previous hourly candle doesn't have a bottom wick in here, right? This hourly candle right here does not have a bottom wick. So we could spike up into these areas at any moment, flip bearish, come down and spike out of this hourly low before we potentially continue bullish. So in order to give me solid confirmation, I would want to see price, you know, it's broke this level. So here's the break of the level, the closure above the break. Now I would want to see price retest and then continue bullish, breaking the previous highs there for extra confirmation, right? But it didn't happen. So I already joined your channel. Nice, Hunting Blue. Which channel are you talking about? YouTube? Yeah, appreciate all the follows, guys. You guys are going crazy. King, Domi, Jethro, Damo, Suban. Twitch seems more stocks than Forex, yeah. I was thinking to myself that I'll be that person that will go on there and kind of break the barriers down and bring Forex to Twitch, you know what I mean? But I mean, we did do well on Twitch, but yeah. YouTube, I think, is just the place to be. Resistance zone, yeah, up here at well, potentially at 2418310. Blossom, appreciate the follow. I'm interested. Kindly guide me more on Forex. Lucy, keep showing up to the streams and you'll be fine. You was in a sell? Yeah, we've been looking at buys all today, Blossom. If you come to the streams regularly, you will know why I was looking for buys today. Can anybody tell me why I was looking for buys in here and why I've been looking for buys today? Can you guys tell me? Anybody? Especially in here during this area right here. Why was I looking for buys in here? I know somebody's going to be able to tell me. Marvel, appreciate the follow. It was based off the swing. No, it wasn't based on any swing concepts. Are you trading live? Am I live every day? Yeah. Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, I'm live. Well, there we go, guys. There we go. There's that range filled, just like we talked about. Price filling this range, breaking out of this one, filling the next range, and it can continue here, right? If it continues, but this would be my take profit level right here, this level. This price can spike out here, reject. We could see price potentially selling off from here now to come down and create the hourly bottom wick, but we just gotta wait and see. That was my idea, right? From buys to fill this range, from 2414035. Up into 2418310. That was my idea right there. Why was I on a buy? Because gold is very bullish at the moment. We broke that bearish structure, as I mentioned earlier. You can see from this point here, we was creating highs, lower highs, lower lows, lower lows. Price then came up and broke structure here. This was the structure point in the market in the downtrend, the bearish structure. We broke it, we spiked out, we closed above, and if price is going to close above this area, its next target would be 2418, right, to come and fill this range from this level to this level. This is the range that needs to be filled if price is going to break above here. So that's why you're seeing price tap into this area right now and reject. It's just simple range filling concepts, right? If we're going to break above this level, where's the next level we're going to, right? So this is the range. This was about a 40, what I say, about a 42, 43 pip range that needs to be filled. That's what's happened. Whatever happens from here, we have to wait and see now. That was my idea for this current session and this moment in time, was the buys above 2414035, and now we need to wait and see what happens. Is it going to reject this level? We're going to see a pullback, or is it going to continue bullish above 2418? That's what we need to wait for now. Because the 12-hour candle closing bullish. Exactly. Well done. Where's the sound effects? Everybody clap and a round of applause for Ugo in the YouTube chat. Well done, brother. That is somebody who listens. I love that. You getting back in? Yeah, it depends. It depends. If I was to get in now, this was my idea, right? And this is what, you know, once you have your idea, it's played out. This was your analysis. If you got an entry, if you didn't, this was your move. This was your analysis. This was the range that needed to be filled. Now it's happened. Now we need to wait again, right? If you missed it, you can't get impatient. You can't get impulsive. So now we just need to wait and see. What I would like, preferably, to see at this point now is a bearish candle closure. I would like to see price reject this level. We have a bearish 15-30 minute candle closure, a bit of a pullback, and then I would like to see price continue bullish. We'd like to see some bullish candle closures and then price coming back up into this area. But I don't know what's going to happen. You guys don't know what's going to happen for sure, 100%. We just need to wait and see. We just need to react once it happens. La Rumeri. I'm sorry if I'm saying your name incorrectly, but go to my TikTok profile, hit the link, and you'll go to my website, bro. What broker do I use? I use Black Bull Markets. What's up, King Dummy? The link isn't working. It should be. Try refreshing the browser. Why don't you use Pepperstone? Because in Australia, regulated brokers only offer a 1 to 20 leverage on gold. Whereas Black Bull Markets, it's a regulated broker in other countries. It is a broker registered in New Zealand, which is very close to Australia, and it offers a 1 to 500 leverage. It has very good spreads, very tight spreads, decent commission, and is overall a pretty consistent broker in terms of, you know, liquidity feed, price feed. I really like them. So do I pay tax? Of course I pay tax. What kind of question is that? You trying to get me locked up? What do I think about prop firms? If you can afford not to use them, don't use them. I don't trust them at all. But if you need to, if you don't have the capital and you need to do it, then go for it. Yo, Shahiz, appreciate the sub on YouTube, guys. If you guys on TikTok, if you want to see the whole screen, if you want to see the levels that we're looking at and all the data on the screen that you can't see on TikTok because we're not allowed to show it in case we get banned, come over to the YouTube channel Forex with Cody and you'll be able to see it all right there. What am I seeing on gold right now? So we was anticipating these buys right here. These buys from 2414 up into 2418 right there. We anticipated these buys. It played out beautifully. But yeah. What's my YouTube name? Same. Forex with Cody. Forex with Cody. Forex with Cody. Name of broker, Black Bull. Lucy, if you click the link in my profile, there's a link in there. But it's called Black Bull Market. Black Bull. We have the same zone, by the way. Which one? So for you guys that didn't get that information earlier when we was talking about the 12-hour time frame, which Hugo pointed out in the YouTube chat. Basically, the reason that I was anticipating these buys right here, which we just talked about, is because of one thing, and that is the 12-hour time frame, right? Again, I say this every stream, but why is the 12-hour time frame important? Because we get two 12-hour candles within a daily candle, which makes up the daily candle, and more often than not, how the first 12-hour candle closes is often how the second 12-hour candle likes to follow and continue. For example, today we saw the first 12-hour candle of the daily candle of today's daily session closed bullish, right? A couple of hours ago at 7 p.m. That's 2 hours ago. It closed bullish. That is the first 12-hour candle of the day, which then gives you your direction and bias for the second 12-hour candle, which will be your late London session and your New York session open, and pre-New York and New York session open. That will give you your direction and your bias, right? So it closed bullish. So straight away, then you have your direction, you have your bias to start looking at buys during that mid-London, pre-New York, New York session open, which is why I was anticipating these buys here, which we were just looking at earlier on stream. Okay, very simple. Then it just comes down to your key levels, how you get into the market to follow up with that analysis, with that bias, with that direction. Then you just have to find your entries, which is with the way I trade. I like to trade breakouts. I like to trade key levels. So yeah, that is the 12-hour candle strategy, bias, direction, whatever you want. How do you see 12-hour time frame? Hugo, you have to create a custom time frame. So if you go into TradingView and you go to your times up here, you click this down arrow right there, click that, and then it will say add custom interval. So you click that, and then that's going to come up with this, and then you just go to hours and you'll just put 12 and then add. I've already got it, so it's not allowing me to add it, but you can create whatever custom time frame you want. Eric, just go onto your chart, put the 12-hour time frame on, and see when it closed. But it was 2 hours ago, almost 3 hours ago now. So 7 p.m. Australian Eastern Standard Time is when the first 12-hour candle closes. So figure out whatever that is for you. How do you join your VIP signals? Electric. You'll see down below in the description, you'll see a link to my website, and you'll find it on there, my brother or sister. What does the red line mean? Which red line are you talking about? Success. This one down here? Taking sales? No. Why would I be taking sales right now? Look what gold is doing. Gold is pushing up. Success. These are just the intraday levels that I use to scalp, right? So If they're red, it means I'm looking for sells below these levels. If they're green, which is this one right here, it means I'm looking for buys above those levels. They're just intraday breakout levels. If you're going to look at sells from here, you need to first wait for rejection at this level. This obviously rejected, but it still closed bullish, and we're continuing bullish now. So you want to see rejection here. You want to see lower time frame bearish structure starting to form, and then you can potentially look at sells. But I wouldn't just enter a sell straight here like this and go, cool, we've got a resistance level, price is rejecting, I'm entering a sell. Because look at this momentum right here. Look at this momentum. How do you find the 12-hour chart? User, you have to create a custom, you have to add a custom time frame or custom interval. Just Google how to add a custom interval on TradingView. Of course, success. Of course I can. Mike, appreciate the follow. Maria, appreciate the follow. Brandy, GRG, Brian. It might close off on the next candle. Oh, what's up, Dummy? Domi? Is it Dummy or Domi? Nah, Thomas. Thomas, we were anticipating buys from here, right? From this level right here. Price has already filled this range now, and it's continued bullish here by about 34 pips so far. So yeah, I was anticipating buys from here, down here, here, here. I've only been looking for buys today. Gahucho, appreciate the follow. Since you live in Australia, do you trade during the day or mostly night? Zach, I trade the time where I trade the most is around about 3 p.m. Australian Eastern Standard Time, which is this window right here, right? This is from the indicator, but it's this window right here. It's from 3 p.m. currently with current daylight savings from here to here. So 3 p.m. to 7 p.m. is where I look for my trades most of the time. Why don't we catch up for coffee though? Live same town, mate? Question mark. Because I don't meet up with strangers from the internet. That's why. Trade app name. This is TradingView. Dominant is dummy. Dominant. Dummy. Dominant. Hi from Malaysia. What's up, Malaysia? Maybe one day we can do a meetup in Melbourne, but that will have to be planned out. Or maybe like Sydney, Gold Coast or something. Simi are using ICT. I'm not using ICT concepts. Exactly, D. Like, yeah, cool, man. I'll just meet you. I have no idea who you are. Never met you before. You could be a serial killer. But yeah, man, let's meet up. Do you draw your own levels? Yeah, this is from the indicator, but the indicator is based on my strategy. So I don't need these levels. I don't need it. I can mark up these levels by myself, but that's just there for the members to mark it up for them to make their life easier. What pair? This is gold. Yeah, gold. Which part of Australia? Wouldn't you love to know? Now I'm in Victoria. Yeah, there is question everything. There is, bro. Australian are usually savage. I'm surprised Cody said yes. Well, I haven't said yes yet. Maybe one day we can do a meet-up. Cold country? What? Australia? It's cold right now. It's fucking freezing, but in the summer it's nice. What happens when you don't see a reversal of price continue bullish? Yeah, there's no, a lot of people are saying, when are you going to take sales? It's like, I haven't even mentioned sales. I'm not looking at any sales right now until I see bearish structure, bearish momentum. Then we can look to take sales down below this area, right? Down below here, where we can look for sales, right? But anywhere in this range right now, I would not look for sales. And you wait for a retest, then you continue on bullish. Yeah. Masjid. Are you talking about this one where we was waiting for a tap of this level and then a continuation bullish? Is that what you're talking about? In that case, there's just no entry, You wait for you wait for everything to be ticked. If it doesn't happen, it doesn't happen. Would you be looking for sales within a 15-minute time frame? Not right now, Eric. Not right now. Like I said, we can, potentially look at sales below this area. But first of all, you want to see rejection here. You want to see bearish market structure. You want to see price come and close below this level. And then you can anticipate price to sell off. But as of right now, the structure is bullish. We got this nice move to the upside. We got lows printed, high lows, high highs. Price is very bullish right now. There is no need to try and sell. There's no need. No need to look for sales. You need to get out of that mentality. When price is pushing up, oh, it's got to come down at some point. Surely it can't just keep going up. I'm going to sell right here. Oh no, I blew my account. Okay, last question. Why would we be looking for a sell at 2? Why would we be looking for a sell at 2412? Down here? Because I'm not. I didn't say we will be looking for a sell, but I said we could potentially look for sales. But first of all, you want to see bearish market structure, because right now on the 15-minute and whatever time frame you go to, the 4-hour time frame, right? Bullish, higher highs, higher lows. 12-hour time frame, bullish, higher highs, higher lows, bullish candle closures. Daily now, bullish. Look how bullish the daily is, right? We've got lows down here. Lows, highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, highs. Now today we've created a higher low and a high. Okay. So whatever time frame you look at, weekly, bullish. Gold is bullish, right? So there is no reason right now to be looking for sells. There's just not, right? Current market structure, even on the 15-minute, is bullish, right? We're moving up. Higher highs, higher lows, higher highs. Potentially now a higher low to come in, right? Pull back before we continue bullish, but just this is why I only look for buys, right? Market is bullish. Look for buys. Look how consistent the buys have been. Very beautiful buys all day today. Buys, buys, buys. Buys, 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 buys. Where's my... Yeah, I've been standing up this whole time, man. Thanks. Oh. Oh. There we go. So now we've closed above this level. You can see we've closed above. We've tapped in. We've also got a 30 closure here. So we've got the 30 closure above here, the tap. So what is the next range price needs to fill here? It's going to be up here in this level, which is a 60 pip range. Right, so if you start breaking these highs now, there's a potential to continue bullish. But we need to we got this level as well. That is not very much of a range. That's about 8 pips. Because this whole area we're coming into now is quite a big rejection zone. This whole area. Right? Look where price, the last time price was bullish into this area was right here, was last Thursday, right? Look how price moved into this level. Tapped in, rejected. We had 2 rejections there on the 15, 1, 2, and then price sold off, right? So we just need to be careful around this zone now, right? That we don't come in here, grab liquidity, even if we can spike above these highs, then sell off potentially. But this is why I liked this range, right? Because we had a nice range from this high and where we broke out down here. This was a very clean range right here, very clean. Nice 40, 43 pip move up. Beautiful. But we just need to be careful. Oh man, my back. What pair? This is xauusd. Basic knowledge. Bullish all the way. Might join your signal group next week. Let's go, King Draco. This is why you have to love gold. I love swings and I love long swings too. Yeah. And this is gold, right? A lot of people will see this now and they will go, man, like, look how much this has moved. Like, surely it can't go up. Surely it can't keep going up. But gold will just keep going up and up and up and up. And it will just keep going. So you can't have that mentality with gold. You may have slight pullbacks, as we've seen over here. Slight pullbacks. Slight pullbacks, slight pullbacks, slight pullbacks. But overall, look, it just continues bullish throughout the whole session, right? Now, do you want to get caught in trying to capture these small little pullbacks in here and, you know, trying to figure out when that's going to happen or where it's going to happen from? Or do you just want to anticipate the overall bullish move and just keep getting in the buys on the breakouts, on the breaks of the highs, right? Very simple, to just ride this up. Once you understand where the market is moving for the day, then it's simple. I'm not going to say it's simple, but it's a lot easier to understand on direction, bias, understanding where for this day it's going from here to there. It's going from A to B today, right? So how can I get in on that move that is potentially going to happen today? And I'll tell you now, breakouts of specific levels, key levels, are very, very key. So this was my entry. This would have been my entry right in here. Boom. There. This is the entry we talked about earlier. Once we got the tap, didn't happen. And now in these areas, like I said, there's a potential that it can continue bullish from here, but now we're dealing with a whole different area. We're dealing with a whole different rejection point and rejection area in here. This whole level right here. As soon as price taps in here, we could see huge rejection. Liquidity picked up because this is not only a rejection area, but this was actually inflation, right? From last week. Inflation, core inflation. This is an area that potentially holds a lot of liquidity, and price could simply be coming up into here, boom, before we get that spike in, grab that liquidity, and then we can see that potential sell. But I won't look for sales from that area. It's just an area that I would look out for. It's not, I'm not that kind of trader. I'm not a reversal trader. I'm very much a trend trader. I like to go with the trend, with the momentum. So I won't be looking for sales in here, but there is a chance, right? There is a chance. But yeah, that was my day. That was my Monday. Great day. 2 trades, 2 wins, 1.5k, just over 2% account gain. And this was all here in the Cody's analysis section in the Discord. From the very beginning, from today, 3:23 p.m. Looking for breakout buys above 2413,430 right here. No buys yet. I'm waiting for a bullish 15-minute closure and I will look to buy. Then I said I'm buying, looking to get triggered in above current 15-minute high if it flips back bullish. That was my first entry, 15 pips profit, stops to break even, taking profit here. That was the first trade. Then we got, that was the entry right there on MetaTrader. And then we got the second entry. If we get another 15 bullish closure here, we can wait for a bottom wick first, then price to continue bullish, right? Breaking the highs, previous highs. Then we get 10 pips profit, moving stops to break even, closing here. That was the second trade there. And I actually only risked half of what I usually risk. So this was a 5 lot. The first trade was a 5 lot. The second trade was a 2.5 lot. So I risked half because I already had my profits for the day. And I didn't want to risk giving back all of it. So I just risked less in my second trade. But 1.5k for the day, pretty much, minus commission. Beautiful. That was today. But yeah, that's me done. I think that was a nice little stream back after the sickness. I'm still recovering. I'm still feeling a bit shit, but we are back. We took last week off because if you guys that don't know, all the new followers, we've been sick. Well, I've been sick. I say we've been sick. I've been sick the last week. So I didn't stream all last week, but we're back in, getting it back up and running again. What is this screen indicator called in the top right? Question everything. That is the V5. That is my indicator, bro. So you'll find it in the link in my profile. Discord link, you'll also find that in the link in my profile. All there. It's all on my website. Discord, free Telegram, private Telegram, Signals Telegram, the indicator, the Discord, everything. Fence, Amon, Sil, G-Stro, Moses. A lot of followers coming through right now on TikTok. You guys are going crazy. I appreciate you. I appreciate you guys. But yeah, I'm done, guys. I'll see you guys on Wednesday. I'll be live on Wednesday on TikTok and on YouTube. Forex with Cody. I appreciate you guys. Nice little stream back. We're getting back into the swing of things. And I'll slowly get stronger and better throughout the week. But yeah, great Monday, great start to the week. And the swings, if you're in the signals channel, the swing signals will be sent out tomorrow. All right, they'll be sent out tomorrow morning, so be ready. What do you mean, Eric? It's on my website, bro, but it's part of the academy. But yeah, if you're in the signals channel, the signals will be sent out tomorrow morning. They're always sent out on Tuesday at some point. Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, potentially. Because Monday, I need to see price action on Monday, how it forms to give me my entries for Tuesday to set me up for the week. So if you guys are in the signals channel, I'll show you guys here. But yeah, this is the private Discord. When I sent the signals out, they were all here on Tuesday. Right, buy stops, you can see the take profit, stop loss, take profit, the entry is all there. Yeah, some crazy results last week in the signals channel. Some crazy results. 3.4k I think we finished off with. This was the signals on Tuesday, which we took profit on Wednesday. And then this was the ones on Wednesday. So here you can see I was actually in drawdown. So full transparency right here. We only had these trades open on Wednesday or Thursday. And then you can see there, start pushing into profit. GJ just took off. And then all of them going slight into profit. And then we took profits here about 1.4. So 1.4 there. And 1.6, no, 2.6 here. Minus, you know, commission for that. But yeah. That's me done, guys. I'll see you guys on Wednesday. And yeah, great to be back. Hope you all missed me. I missed you guys. And I'll see you on Wednesday. I'll see members in Discord and in Telegram. We'll get it chopping up. All right. Appreciate you guys. Thank you very much. Until next time.